The marketplace is changing rapidly. Businesses now rely upon multiple channels to attract clients and needed more and more tools to be able to successfully attract a customer base. Do you want to double your retainer clients and have a consistent progress in earning your revenue? Then LongTailPro provides marketers with insightful data to derive right decisions for their online visibility. Build and find your online visibility across multiple channels through LongTailPro's products. We are excited to show you the whole range of solution that we offer as part of LongTailPro, where it helps you to harness a 100% power to achieve your specific goals. Discover heaps of profitable long-tail keywords that are easy to optimize. We know what worked for us has worked for over 70,000 marketers. 3 tried and tested methods for keyword research. Get long-tail keyword ideas from head terms. Discover keywords that's working for your competitor. Group your keywords and keep it organized. Make sure you are able to outrank the competitors. Start benchmarking with competitors. See your website performance index to know the organic traffic potential of your website. Conduct website competitive analysis and identify your opportunities. Know how your SEO strategy works. Focus your efforts, and gain insights with advanced metrics. Get deeper insights with a list of up-to-date key metrics. Know how close you are to the top result for all your keywords and start seeing results even faster. Measure your SEO efforts with ease. Get keyword rankings to your inbox. Find your untapped and missing opportunities. Track every backlink to your root domain or any specific page hassle-free. Fix broken links to your site and maintain link equity and traffic from the quality backlinks. Run a backlink analysis against key parameters. Analyze anchor text distribution, trust flow, citation flow and other actionable SEO data. Measure your site's health. Optimize your website with long-term recommendations. This report will help you find all of your internal linking issues. Make sure that your website is accessible by search engines, and that Google bot can crawl. With this report you can easily monitor your site's security status. Get a comprehensive report on how your site's performance on average load speed, slow load speeds and many more.
Hi there and welcome to LongTailPro. In today's demonstration I'm going to show you how you can use LongTailPro to find those long tail keywords. Today I'm going to focus on the example used in our blog post, how to find the best Amazon affiliate products. In this post we explain how if you are searching for fitness equipment, this is a very broad term and therefore it's not going to be as simple to find those profitable keywords. So what we want to go for is a more long tail niche keyword. So what we're going to do today is look at fitness equipment for chronic pain. So once we've logged into the application, the first thing we want to do is create a project for our research. So we click the little plus here and then we put in our project name. I'm just going to put fitness equipment. And now as you can see we are in our project here and we want Google AdWords suggestions. So make sure we clicked on this box here. I want to be in English. I'm just going to change this to United States. And then we're going to pop in our keyword here, which is fitness equipment for chronic pain. And I'm going to go for 200 suggestions. Click retrieve. And we can let LongTailPro do its thing. Okay, now as you can see we have a lot of suggestions coming up. based on our seed keyword of fitness equipment for chronic pain. Now looking through these, you know, back pain seems to come up quite a lot, so this could be a good place of focus. So let's just have a close look. If we select filters here and want to include keywords that contain back pain, apply, and now we'll only be showing the keywords that contain the word back pain. So as you can see, we had 199 and we're now showing 50 of those. Okay, now the first thing we want to look for is a low average KC. So if we click average KC once, and then again, this should arrange everything from lowest to highest. And as you can see, we've got some nice low KCs here. 23, best exercise equipment for back pain. 25, exercise equipment for back pain relief. So if you are if you're an affiliate for Amazon and you want to focus on this kind of equipment, then this is definitely a place that you can start. Let's have a look. So if we pop into one of these, let's pop into exercise equipment for back pain relief. So we can see this has an average KC of 25, so that's not a bad target. We can check out the top 10 results in Google. I would always suggest we pop into these, see the kind of content on these pages, see if these are things that you could outrank, because obviously the main thing is we want to get into the top 10 of Google here. So we have a lot of data here which you can go through. And if we just return back to our project, another great little feature, say we thought, okay, we do like this keyword, is there anything similar? Obviously this is quite a good long tail keyword here. If we select the +20, LongTailPro will then show you 20 more suggestions based on that keyword there, and we should see these start to come up soon. Okay, and as you can see again, the +20 has generated some more low KC keywords, which may be worth having a look into. One of the great things about trying to find these long tail keywords is because they are more niche specific, there is a higher chance that you can rank for these, and hopefully these will be more profitable to you than the one or two shorter keywords, which tend to be very general and you're going to find them quite high to rank for. Okay, well here was just a short demo on how you can find long tail keywords. If you ever have any questions, always use this little in-app chat down here. This will go straight to our support team. If someone's online, they'll get back to you quite quickly. If not, just leave a message, and as soon as someone's online, they can help you if you have any questions. Alright then, thank you very much.